All right, quick little Wednesday night update for you guys. Got Buddy down here. He's hot. It's warm out today, but did get. I'm stepping on things here. Did get got a new battery for the truck, which it's a Baumgart's battery, but these are actually Interstate batteries. They're the same exact thing. They come on the Interstate truck. They just have Baumgart's sticker on them, which is a local farm store to us. So it has a 3-year replacement warranty on it. So I think we're good to go on the truck here. But anyway, the floor is rather damp. It's hot outside today. Warm and humid, and we've got a cold floor in here, so it's sweating. It's put a new video up on the Fox Shop barbecue channel. Put that up today. Got some more coming up on that. Jody's starting to feel better. Bud, you want to go outside? Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Bud. Okay, as soon as I go out here, he'll start to. He can get out here himself. Hi, Jess. Hold on. I bet he's at the door. Maybe not. Come on, bud. Buddy. Okay. Well, I've got other things to show. Come on, Jess. Okay, he's probably coming now. Come on, bud. Here he comes. Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Why won't you go outside? Buddy, let's go to the house. Let's go inside. Come on. There we go. Okay. Anyway, it's really wet out here. Floor's sweating up. Got cats up on the lawnmower. And anyway, as far as this video is concerned, well, not much wind out here, I guess. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, maybe some storms in a few hours. It's that time of year. Lawn needs mowed again, but it's been too wet. It's been like just kind of spitting around rain and not really doing a whole lot. But anyway, as far as this video is concerned, we'll go over here to the old shop. What do you think, Jess? Go get him. Go get him. You say go get him, and she wants to go get him. Go get him. What do you think, bud? Get over here in the old shop here. Turn the light on. And the old Bronco is sitting here. And, well, she's mine now if you haven't been following along, but she's mine. I got a lot of stuff in the... I just piled stuff up back here because I didn't think I'd ever be dealing with this again. But as it turns out, I think here in the next few weeks, gonna give her a bath. She needs a bath really bad. Been sitting over here for about 1.5 years, I think. Got to pump the tire up, but I think we're gonna get her painted. We're gonna paint her the grabber blue, like up here on the radiator support, under the hood and inside the doors and everything. She's gonna get painted up. I think in the next, probably the next, well, depending on how the weather goes, probably in the next month or so, we're gonna pull this back into the shop, get everything out of the back of it, get things sorted out, and spray some paint on this base coat and clear. I called on paint yesterday, prices of it and stuff, so I think we're going to finally do this. It does need a new windshield. It's all cracked up. I don't know, do I have it covered in here? I don't know if you can see that or not, but windshield's cracked. It was cracked to begin with, and then I cracked it some more when I took the the trim off the side and everything. But get it painted up, get the interior back into it, and go from there. So that's what the plan is anyway, here in the next few weeks. Gonna get the Bronco painted up. So anyway, guys, shut the light off in here. Yeah, it looks like some rain might be coming. Everything is moving straight from the south, which is kind of strange. Usually it comes from the southwest, but everything is moving straight from the south. Buddy, you gonna come? Come on, bud. Come on, big guy. I know. Every time I go outside, he has to be right with me, and then I go inside and he doesn't want to come back in. As far as the 7.3 diesel goes, crew cab diesel goes, tire still hasn't gone down yet. She's been sitting out here for a while. I need to find a bed for that, which I think the original, well, the guy I got it from might have a connection on that. I don't know, we'll see. I've got the doors and everything for it. Just gonna take a lot of work to get that done. Like to get the Bronco painted, and we'll go from there. Other than that, well, I'm gonna get that go-kart going too. Got Jody's daughter's boyfriend's kids. They'd like to get that going, so might try to get that going. Darn thing, this doesn't seem to go very fast, but maybe I can hop it up a little bit, put some nitrous on it or something. I don't know, but anyway, down here in the shop tonight, just hanging out down here, and you know, like I said, I've been cooking on that. Really been cooking on that quite a bit. Got a new video out on the Fox Shop BBQ. You can look that up and follow along if you want to. If not, that's fine as well. But that's what's going on tonight. So anyway, guys, I think the Bronco is going to get painted. So hang in there for that, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.